Extra.
What's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna start off the vlog. First vlog. Going to Harmony tonight. I'm starting it off, washing the car, getting it ready. It's hot as shit outside. Alright guys, we're gonna start off by moving the gourd. Alright guys, we're about to wash the car. I'm about to put you guys on my head, switch to the head. Sorry. Go. So guys, we just finished washing this shit. Hot day. Damn, bad spot right there. About to go over something else. Gotta see what we can do, fix it up, make it look better for tonight's meet. Going in the 2V today. So let me introduce this car. So this is my 2000 New Edge Mustang GT. Spawn stock. It's regular GT. It's pretty clean car, but the roof is fucked up, and then that body got a little like, cause you can see, so like they tried a rattle can over right here, and then the paint, and it's like they tried a rattle can. Alright guys, we're at the car meet right now. And where you at, Evan? You almost here? Oh, there's the top already. Every time the lights off.
So the drinks that are out here.
Let's show the cars that are out here. Clean ass Mustangs.
Oh my god, man, he already started, man. Actually, Brian started.
Ooh, look at that one.
Black one?
Yeah, that's
I don't even know if it's black or gray.
It looks kind of gray, no?
Yeah. The towers over.
But there's pumps. Honestly, that pastilla kind of helped.
The RX-6.
I'm gonna drink it
Best
again
car here.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Alright, so guys, picking you guys up from last night's car meet. We got fucking stranded in the drive-thru. I'm in and out last night in Mustang. So we left the car here overnight. We got my brother to pick us up. We came back by the port. Let's see if we can take this bitch home at least.